Hi, I'm Priscilla, and welcome to Clinical Research Made Easy. As you may remember in my prior video, I discussed that clinical trials consist of multiple phases. Today, I will go over details of what participating in a phase 1 trial would be like. So it's important to know the difference between a preclinical study and a phase 1 study. In a preclinical study, we're going to start in the laboratory testing on cells and then testing on animals. Once these trials are complete and the data looks promising, they will submit to the FDA. So the FDA will need to provide permission before the trials can begin on humans. These phase 1 studies are conducted on only a small number of healthy volunteers and on patients with the conditions they are testing. So they may test the drug on about 20 to 100 people, and then the purpose of this phase is to study how the drug functions in the body and what side effects occur. These trials may begin providing a low dose of the drug, and then they're going to transition to what they assume to be that maximum tolerated dose based on the previous animal studies. So since side effects are not very known, patients in these trials are closely monitored. They must stay overnight. Patients will have multiple safety measures completed, such as a physical exam, electrocardiograms, vital signs, and any specific evaluations that the FDA recommends based on that preclinical data. So during the patient's stay, there's going to be multiple blood draws. These are known as pharmacogenetic testing. These tests are to learn how the drug travels throughout the body. It's crucial for researchers to understand, well, what happens after several hours of taking the drug? And this information also leads to understanding how effective is the drug. Learning the appropriate dose that a patient can tolerate and limit the risk for future patients while maximizing the possible benefits of the drug. The data collected in these phase 1 studies are what's going to help develop the next structure of the phase 2 trials. Usually only about 70% of the drugs actually move on to the next phase. So if you have any additional questions on participating in these trials, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more clinical research made easy.